Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will explain you about plugin package project. If you have multiple dependent assemblies or DLLs, how to upload as a single plugin. First of all, you have to create a folder in your local directory. Let's say in C drive, I am creating a folder called as plugin package demo, for example. So this is my folder, and in this folder, our plugin package project will be stored. Next, you have to open the command prompt and change your directory to the folder what you have created using command prompt cd, then plugin package demo. So that the command prompt will be point to the directory that we have created. Next, here you have to type a command called as pac, then plugin, then init. Provided you have to install previously the Power Apps CLI um, installation software. You have to install that Power Apps CLI, then you can run this command. Now, once it is done, the plugin project or package will be created in your folder. Okay. The next step is you have to go to create a blank solution using Power Apps Maker portal. So create a solution here. Let's say give a name, plugin package demo solution. And choose a publisher of your choice, or you can create a new publisher and click on create. As soon as you click on create, a new solution, blank solution will be created. Okay, so this is the next step you have to follow. And let us go to the plugin package demo folder, and here you will find the files, associated files. When you open the project file in Visual Studio, you have to build it. Once you build the project, you will find a NuGet package .dll will be created in the bin folder. Let us wait and check once the build is succeeded. Now you can close this, and here if you go to bin debug, you will see plugin package demo dot NuGet package, right? This is required for us. Now open the project, and you will find that plugin class. Change the plugin1.cs to something to represent as a plugin class. And once the plugin class is designed, you can define your core logic here. Let me design some core logic, but before that, let me create another project, and we will take reference of that project in our plugin, because we are displaying here multiple project dependencies, so that it will create a dependent assembly. So let me give a name here, helper project, and use the same DLL file or class library project. And here let me define a JavaScript, let me define a C# function to reverse a string. Okay, let me change the CS file as contact helper.cs, contact help, and inside this class file, let me define a method. Here I am trying to define a method to reverse a string. It will take a input parameter as a string and reverse the string and return the reversed string to the calling method. So here let me define the rev, and inside that I have to write down the logic to reverse a string, but pass the parameter, input parameter is raw string. Now this is the logic which is used for creating a reverse. Now save it, and once it is saved, you have to call that helper project in our current project. But before that, you have to take project as a dependency, right click the plugin project and add reference, and select the helper project to take reference. And then you have to initialize the object of the helper class, and the helper class name is helper.cs, but it is contact help, right? So let's delete this and use the helper.contact help. This is our class name. So helper.contact help, then create the object. This is how you can call another reference class object. And here we are passing the entity first name and calling the help.reverse method by passing our input parameter. So normally what is the logic? On pre-operation, this plugin will run, which will take the contact first name and reverse it and return the reverse string by using another helper class file, helper DLL, which is dependent, and it will give the value to the first name while creating a record. Now you do not need to sign in the plugin assembly here, but you have to sign in or give a strong name to the dependent assembly. And let's register new package. Now in plugin registration tool, you will find a option called as register new package. Here you have to associate uh, the plugin package file which is generated as because of the CLI command. Okay, you have to take the location. This is the location inside bin folder, plugin package demo 1.0.0.0 NuGet package, and inside that you have to search that and choose the solution where we have created a blank solution. This is the blank solution we have created, and import it. Once you click on import, it will be successfully import. Okay, if it will not import successfully, then there is a issue and we need to fix it. Right, now it is imported successfully. Now you can test the scenario if it is working fine or not. So add a step here. For all plugin you have to add a step. So we will add a new step here for this plugin, and the step is create message, and the entity is contact. And there is no secondary entity filtering attribute, and go to event pipeline and choose pre-operation. So before the data is committed to database, I want to change the first name in reverse order and pass in the plugin context. Now you can test this. Now go to the application where we have contact entity, and we will create a new record. So let me open the app. So this is a model driven app I have created where I can able to create a contact record. Now if I will go to the contact record and create a new record, and by providing a first name and save it, it will reverse the first name and provide the data to the first name. You see I have given here Sanjay Roy. Now because of the plugin, the first name is reversed. You see, so we have successfully uploaded a package with dependent assembly